Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of stock market trading. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel to learn more about stock market. Also press the bell icon for video updates. In this video, I will explain how to use the RSI indicator and how beginners can gain capital using it. RSI is acronym for Relative Strength Index. It is a technical indicator used in analysis of financial market. It uses the closing of recent trading prices, like it uses the closing prices of the all the trading events happened recently. For those interested in maths, its formula, the formula used for calculating RSI is 100 minus 100 by 1 plus RS. Suppose in the recent time 10 trades happened. Now out of these 10 trades, suppose in 5 trades the closing price of the commodity or equity is higher than the opening price. In that case the market is moving upwards. Now whereas if something opposite happens, like the closing price is less than the opening price, then at that time we say market is going downwards. Now the average of all the upwards or all the trades which went upwards divide by average of all the trades which went downwards gives the value of RS, and subsequently RSI is calculated. Traditionally, RSI over 70 is known as overbought. Overbought means the value or the traders are paying more for each stock. What we can say, the overvalued stock, something which is overweight, overvalued. Whereas the RSI less than 30 is known as underbought. Underbought here in the means that the actual value of those stocks should be higher than the current value, but it's currently overbought, and in future it's has the tendency that the price of that stock will move upwards. Now that overbought and underbought situation is the situation when traders buys and sells the stocks. In real world we won't have to calculate so much. Now let me show how to use the RSI indicator. Currently I will use tradingview.com, and currently I am going at NSE site. Here the top gainers and top losers, all the charts are given. Today suppose I am taking VEDL, it's I think Vedanta only. Let's check the stock. VEDL. Yeah, it's Vedanta only. I don't use the stock much. Mm, a full featured chart. Now let's check all the technicals. The average volume is 23.4 million. Now let's check the volume of which Vedanta had today. If the volumes are okay, traded volume 18 million. It's 18 million, and an average trading volume is 23 million. It means that it has got 4 million less trades today. Okay, we have time left around an hour in closing of stock market. Let's see what happens. We will see the RSI. Suppose for someone beginner who doesn't know how to use trading view, for getting into all the indicators, just see we have the indicator option here. Have a click on it. I had my favorites indicator here. Just type RSI and you will find the relative strength index here. Just click it. You will have your RSI down here. And for changing the settings, go to the setting option of RSI. Now the length. The default option which RSI gives, which any like tradingview.com, like companies from where we can see the charts, gives are 14 only. Just change this to 10. The reason behind it is that it gives a overview for 2 weeks. I prefer 10. I prefer 10-day preference over others. Okay, now let's see what happened today. Today market opened high. Now what we can see is that this is an overbought. This is a condition when the value of stock is overbought, and this is a condition when it's underbought. Suppose you are buying a stock at this point around 105.55, and you, because at this point you don't know that it will get down to here, so you are leaving it here. Now you are seeing that here comes a condition where you get a overbought price, what, 105 points, around 7. See, this is 105.5 and now 105.7, like zero point 0.2. The reason why I don't use Vedanta much. See, you are having a profit but only of zero point 0.2 units. That's not enough for going anywhere. Now we don't have much today. Let's check some other stuff. Uh, no, Coal India. Okay, let's check Coal India. Coal India. Now, this is what we have for Coal India. Now, before going, just we have to check what it's giving us. Coal India. We have to first check all the volumes. If a number of volumes for a trade for a particular day is lower than its 10-day average, then it's preferable not to buy these stocks, because volume is a key. Everywhere volume is a key. Now if you see, it's a 12 million average for 10 days, whereas for today what happened? For today, suppose Coal India. I don't know what happened here. Let's open it from here. Now what we have seen is that, now see the traded volumes, 15 million. 15 million is a very big margin by which it has outshined its previous 10 days volume. Means the stock is a good one to trade if it gives us the valid entry and exit points. Now see, this is a point where you are finding, now there are people, and I always sell, I do short selling, but because I made this video for the beginners, so I'm trying to just keep it as simple as possible. Now suppose here you are buying the stock around 139.8. Now just see the time, 10:53, and here only the stock gets up to its overvalued price, that is 11:13. Within a span of 20 minutes you are getting some percentage profit. Let's see what, 139.85 around, and it's 141, like around 2 rupees for 139. We have almost more than 1% profit. Now just for this one you have more than 1% profit. You can do other things also, like here again some it went to a 30% low or underbought price, high 140. As you can see here, 142 was the highest, and opening was 142, and low as was 141.95. Now you have seen that one can make a substantial amount of profit using RSI. RSI is nothing but it's like it's interpreting the graph rather than manual interpretation. You have a indicator which directly interprets the graph, so you don't have to see the graph in that way. RSI is good for intraday, and I use it for intraday and swing also, but in longer run, RSI plus MACD is more like, it's more reliable. Now here comes another point. See 142.5. Now just see here around this point, 143, 143.25. Now again this side around 143, and this has gone to 143.5. As you have seen, the stocks can be, you can make profit using this method. But yeah, this method, no method is absolutely correct. You can have your losses, but There are other methods like stop loss to reduce your loss. This is one indicator which is like, I can say that it is the most common indicator, and it is the first indicator which one uses when they start trading RSI. And then second, then comes MACD, and again uh, Bollinger Bands are also there for just seeing if candlesticks are in the right position or not. And then again Fibonacci is also there for advanced traders. Now I think this is enough. I am checking one more stock for you and explaining it works for everyone. Now for top losers, this what we see, like Wipro. Okay, let's go to Wipro. What happened today to Wipro? According to the NSA, it has gone down. Oh yeah, it has gone down. Let's see. Yeah, it started with an all-time low and it again moved up. Okay, now let's see what's the volume for Wipro today. Volume wise, what Wipro gives, its 10-day volume is 8.5 million. Now let's check today's volume. Here today's volume, like if you want to see a stock, or if you want to like uh, suppose for tomorrow, which stocks you want to see to start investing, just take that last 10 days average value of all the volumes and the last 5 days, and it will be helpful for you. Now if we see here, traded volume is very low here. Just see, it's 5.2 million, and what it's giving is 8.5. Then it's this stock is not good for investing. Then also we shall see, is the RSI working here? Undervalued stock, somewhat by at 219, and then see it's no. See the reason for undervalued stock. You're buying the stock at here, your stock at around 219.5. Here it's 217. You can't do anything about this here, because there is a saying that don't invest at depreciating stock, but in long run it was never a depreciating. So it's something where RSI fails. It's a place where RSI fails. Let's check here. 218.10. Yeah, it fails because 30.30 cents won't give you any much substantial profit. I've shown you that volume plays a major role, and select your stocks wisely. Check that in previous cases or in the last 5 to 10 days, did RSI work for them. If it worked, then you can test the water. You can take out 500 or 600 and then invest. Like the more you invest, the more you gain knowledge, the more you are having that much, what would I say, perfect environment to invest. Like today, if someone invests at Wipro and gets a loss, then if he is learning, then from next day onwards he won't invest in stocks which are having such low volumes. I'm ending my video here, and I think I have made you understand how RSI works. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.